If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha! Yeah! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy poppyblasted coming at y'all with another banger, man. Hey, first before we start the video, make sure you guys smash the like button right now. Smash it, bro. It's easy, bro. You see it right there, man. Why you watching it without... Look, we should have every viewer that's watching the video, it should be having a like, bro. It's easy, bro. Just like it, okay? Just like it for your boy, man, because that makes the algorithm better. That makes me get recommended better. You know what I'm saying? People can see more of this drip, you know what I'm saying? They can see more of this, you know what I'm saying, greatness that I'm teaching y'all, bro. You know what I'm saying? I've been teaching y'all for 8 years, bro. Like, we here, bro. Come on, man. Look, PB gang, look. Today's video, man, I'm about to show you guys how to make your weak side stronger, bro. That side, yes, that side that have all them forks. That side that has all them damn forks, bro. I mean, every side ain't gonna be even, bro. You capping if you feel like that. You know you got a weak side. Everybody have a weak side, whether if it's the left, the right, the top, the back, the crown, whatever it is, all right? I'm about to show y'all how to get that shit stronger, all right? So keep it locked. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang.
All right, PB gang, first thing first, look, check it out. We having a sale, Black Friday sale. Our Black Friday sale starts on Thursday though. This Thursday, bro, on Turkey Day. So after you eat on Turkey Day, on Thanksgiving, after you eat, right? Man, go on the website, bro. This will be the biggest sale of the year. The biggest sale in history. Hey, the biggest sale of people to go merch history, bro. So after y'all eat, go check out the sale. It's 9 o'clock East on 9 o'clock West Coast time. So that's Pacific time. And that means 3 hours, you know what I'm saying, on the West Coast, on the East Coast. So that's 12 o'clock p.m. Let me start this shit over, bro. 9 o'clock on the West Coast Pacific time, 12 o'clock a.m. Eastern time, okay? And that's 10 o'clock Central time. Okay, so do not miss out on this, bro. If y'all been wanting to try the products and y'all feel like, oh, it's too expensive, oh, I just don't want to invest into it, there's no excuse now, bro. I'm having a stupid sale, bro. It's gonna be huge, the biggest sale ever. All right, so mark your calendars right now. Don't miss out on that shit. Make sure you guys go to the website on Thursday at 9 o'clock p.m. West Coast, 12 o'clock a.m. East Coast. Thursday, okay? That's when our Black Friday starts. It starts on Thursday. It don't start on Friday. It's Thursday night, all right? So, hey, look, man, I want you guys to try the greatness. I don't want you guys to miss out on nothing. And I do not want y'all to miss out on this new drip. You see it, bro. You see it. Man, check this product out, bro. Look at the aesthetics of this product, man. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my God, bro. Oh. Man. And trust me, not only the exterior and the aesthetics of the products look good, just imagine how it smells and how the interior look. This right here is a hair paste. It's very pasty, man. Look, paste. Look at that paste. Oh man, but I mean by paste, bro, it's like toothpaste. It's sticky. So what that means? If it's sticky and it's doing this, what do that mean, bro? Okay, focus. That means that it's gonna have stupid hold. It's gonna have great hold to be like kind of like in between a moisturizer and a butter, because it's not a butter and it's not a moisturizer, because moisturizer is more lighter than this. So in between, hair paste. I'm the first one who ever made a hair paste, bro. No cap. But it's fire though, and this will be available too as well on sale Thursday. When the Black Friday sale starts, this will be available too. You know what I'm saying? So y'all cop this too as well, all right? Don't sleep on it, man. You can't waste it, man. With this shit, you gotta just, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Anyway, look. Wow. Oh. Go to poppyblasted.com right now, so that way you won't miss out on when you basically sign up for text alerts. When you go to the website right now, you will see put your number in there, so that way you can sign up for text alerts, and that will make you never miss out on any of the drops, any of the promotions, any of the sales, whatever we got going on. I send out drops every time I do a sale, every time I do a giveaway, every time I do anything. I send out text message alerts to you guys. So in order for you to get that, you have to sign up via poppyblasted.com. Put your, you know what I'm saying, your number right there, boom, and just sign up. All right. Anyways, man, all right, let's get to the video. I know it's long. So how you get your weak side stronger? Okay, so let me unrag right now, because everybody have a weak side, bro. My weak side is my right side. Your weak side is pretty much the side that you have the most problems on, the side that you have the most forks. Okay, that's your weak side. You have a lot of forks on that side, that's your weak side if you didn't know. You know what I'm saying? If you got forks on every side, you just got forks on every side. You see what I'm saying? But I'm gonna show y'all my weak side, okay? This is my weak side, bro. Let me show y'all my weak side. Let's go. Weak side right here. Damn! This is my weak side, bro. Okay? PB, it's dripping. It's not weak. Yes, it is. Look at these forks. I got forks too, bro. You know what I'm saying? I got forks. By the way, that hair paste is in my hair, man. You know what I'm saying? That blueberry, that wild berry cheesecake hair paste is in my hair, bro. You know what I'm saying? You see it, no cap. The shit is shiny. Anyways, I got forks. Look, one right here. You know what I'm saying? One right here. Boom. Where else? I got one like close it, like I'm moving it forward. You know what I'm saying? Actually, with this one, I'm kind of like brushing at an angle, so I'm breaking it. I'm opening it, so I'm breaking it instead of moving it to the front. I always move. Normally, I move my forks to the front. I normally move my forks to the front, but if it's like too much far in the middle or like towards my crown area, I try to like, it takes longer to move. So I try to just brush at an angle. You know what I'm saying? And brushing at an angle, what I mean is like, you pretty much brushing to open it. So if it's like this, right? You brushing at this angle to open it. Boom. Eventually, if you keep going, just brushing that way, just on that one, just to that fork though, with your peeker. I mean, your peeker is this. Just with that fork, you just brushing like this. Only right there though, bro. Only right there. So you get your regular sessions in, and right there on that fork, you going like this. You keep nicking at it, you know what I'm saying? And it's going to eventually open up. But that's I only break my forks only when it's like towards my crown area or like in the middle of my head. Cause like, once again, it's too far to move it down. It's going to take longer. But if you ain't tripping and you don't got no, you know what I'm saying? You ain't on a time limit and you ain't really tripping. You don't really care about forks too much. Just brush it regular, and eventually after your woofs and cuts and shit, it's going to move forward all the way to the hairline and move out. But like I said, with that fork, I just been like brushing it at an angle so I could open it, because it was all the way right here. So that'd take long to go up there, you feel me? Now this one, I'm brushing regular, because then that fork right there gonna come straight down to my hairline. You see what I'm saying? So, but that's my weak side right there, man. And y'all know my crown weak too right now. Y'all know. On my crown. I got two crowns, if y'all know. One right here, one right here. It take long for that part to grow right there, bro. So I have to choose if I want to use this one or this one. I choose my most dominant crown, which is this. You see what I'm saying? So I don't cut right here. What last cut I did cut right there just to start over on my crown. You know what I'm saying? But pretty much you want to close that crown so that way it could be more closed, your crown. But this is my left side right here. Left side. Yeah. Left side. See, my left side is my strong side, you see? That's why I say your strong side is pretty much the side where you don't have that much forks. That is considered your strong side. You don't got a lot of forks on that side, it's your strong side, bro. You know? I got forks though. I want to start counting forks around this mug, but I got forks, bro. I think I got another one. See, this one right here is low key. It's already damn near gone. But then I got, yeah, I got forks. But this side has less forks. That's why this is my strong side. You see what I'm saying? My top, I got a lot of forks on my top, bro. I ain't playing me cap. Like, I got one right there. Look, bro, I got one right there. That's that same one I was pointing at though, from that angle. But I got one right there, right there. Well, no, I only got 3. 1, 2, 3. And then on my left side, I pretty much don't really have none on my left side, no forks. But this is my right side, really. My right and my top right. You know what I'm saying? My right, see? Then my top right. That's it. So I probably got about 4 or 5 forks total. But more of the story, bro. How to get your weak side stronger. Which I'm not showing you no tutorial. I'm not finna brush. I'm about to do none of that. Because I noticed my videos has been long. Even though all these years my videos been long. But I try to stick to the trend. I notice a lot of other people videos, hair tutorial videos, isn't that long. Which I don't really have time to watch a lot of other people's videos. But just watching YouTube in general, I see a lot of people do drag videos to like 20, 25, 30 minutes. Especially if it's vlogs and shit. But I don't know, man. Like, I've been doing it for so long and I've been having my videos so lengthy for a long time where I try to just get straight to the point. And I tend to keep dragging my videos longer, not purposely, but just so you guys can understand and learn. Because I go in depth with my videos and my shit. So, like, for example, as me doing all this talking, now I'm pulling out my brush and I'm showing you guys, it's gonna be like 10 more minutes, and this video gonna probably be like about 25 minutes. So we at 11 minutes right now, so I'm about to end the video. But pretty much I want to tell you guys, bro, how to make your weak side stronger is combing all the time. Comb a lot. Okay, comb a lot. I know you guys don't like to comb a lot because you guys, you know, when your hair look like this, like right now, I wouldn't want to comb my hair because it's laid down and looks good, all right? So you comb, you don't want to it's gonna hard for your hair to lay back down because you gotta use that hard brush, medium brush, soft brush. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna take a long time. A lot of you guys don't want to do that, but it helps, bro. It's worth it. You know how a lot of things you do in life, bro, you gotta go through certain things and that you ain't gonna like doing, but it's gonna pay off in the end. It's just the same thing with the comb. You ain't gonna wanna lay it back down, but you're gonna have to, and it's gonna pay off for you. So combing, woofing, okay? Woofing is gonna help a lot. You know what I'm saying? Cutting, but not cutting too short, but not cutting too long. Like keeping it like at a 1.5, 2. That helps like your weak side because it's gonna cut out it's not gonna cut out progress, it's gonna cut out forks, okay? And also, like I told you, like going at an angle of your forks. Just get a session in, right? And then get like a isolation fork angle session. You see what I'm saying? So for example, let me show you. I'm brushing. Oh shit, damn. Ooh, tripping. All right, I'm brushing, right? I ain't gonna touch my hair right now. I told you, I ain't about to touch my hair because I got somewhere to go. And I don't want to put my do-rag on. I'm already unragged for the day. I'm about to go handle my business, and I don't want to lift my hair, so I'm not gonna brush. But I'm gonna show you guys without brushing, so you guys can still understand. Okay, so I'm getting a session in. Bam, I'm hitting every side, right? I'm getting now. This is how isolate crown isolation session, right? So you see this fork right here? Okay, see it right there? You see how that one is connected to that one, right? I'm gonna come down right here, right? Boom. I'm isolating that one part. I'm not doing my whole head no more. Now I'm just focusing on this. I'm focusing on that weak side, that fork. I'm isolating that fork. Boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna keep coming down at an angle. It's just common sense, bro. You come out at an angle where you feel like where it's gonna open up that fork. break it. You see what I'm saying? Now, like I said, once again, if you don't care about breaking forks, if you want to move them to the hairline, you can do it that way too. You just doing the regular stuff, your regular shit. You brushing every day. You brushing that weak side more, you getting that weak side more, you know what I'm saying, attention than your other sides. It's gonna be straight, bro. You see what I mean? It's gonna be straight. It's gonna break that way too. It's gonna pull down, I mean. But if you care and you like you really like you determined to get that fork out of there, and you know you on a time limit, you just like, I gotta get it out, it's annoying you, then just isolate that spot. And then it's eventually it's gonna break. And then obviously it's gonna take time though. You're gonna have to woof, cut, comb, do all that. Wash and style twice a week. That helps. When your hair is wet, it's easy for your hair to move, and it helps a lot with progression, okay? So with that being said, man, I'm pretty much done with this video, man. That's how I break my forks. Yeah, man. Hey, look, don't miss out on this drop, bro. You know, I know I ain't been dropping as much, you know what I'm saying? I've been busy, just the holidays. Around the holidays, I get sad, I ain't gonna cap. You know what I'm saying? Today is my mom's birthday. She passed away in 2000. You know what I'm saying? Today is her birthday. R.I.P. mama. Happy heavenly birthday. Around the holidays, I get sad. A lot of my family members passed away around the holidays. So, you know what I'm saying? I ain't really been feeling it, but I pushed through and made this video. I do miss y'all, and I do, you know, every time I drop a video, I want you guys to watch it, because it takes a lot for me to do it, because I am a busy person. You know, I don't have to do YouTube. You know, I'm wealthy already without YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I have a business, it's doing well, and I'm blessed. You know what I'm saying? To say that, you feel me? So I'm just doing this still just to stay on y'all ears and keep it pushing for y'all, all right? For the gang, you feel me? So when I drop, when you see notification, please watch. Please like it every time. Like. So that way it can push out, so we can grow more. We've been stuck at 288K subs forever, bro. We need to push out. I know I need to drop. I am gonna scalp. Y'all want me to scalp on New Year's? Let me know. I'm gonna scalp, bro. And then I'll give you guys some updates and tutorials week by week on, you know what I'm saying, my 720 journey. Because I feel like I need to go 720. All right, we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna show y'all, you know what I'm saying, my scalp journey and everything, so we can get waves together with all my products, all my stuff I use. I'm gonna show y'all online on this thing, bro. I'm on this. Hey, I'm gonna show the gang how to, you know what I'm saying, you know, get waves from the beginning. I'm taking y'all with me on my journey, all right? So with that being said, don't miss out on the Black Friday sale. It's Thursday, 9 o'clock p.m. On the West Coast time. That's 9 o'clock. That's 12 o'clock a.m. on the East Coast. Don't miss out on this new product right here, man. Hair paste. Oh man, this smells so amazing, man. Cheesecake. I'm telling you, bro. Y'all know my products are fire, bro. I never steer you guys wrong. This right here is cake. Trust me. You don't want to miss out on it. We'll drop on Thursday, all right? Y'all have a blessed. You know what I'm saying? I might drop another one before you know, the holidays or whatever. If I don't, you have a great, you know what I'm saying, turkey day. I love y'all. Stay tuned for the new drop, all right? But with that being said, man, if you're great, let me show this drip. Whew. If you're great, whew. They gon' hate. Yeah. Got the camera, nigga.
All we do is drip. Yeah.
Checkmate, puto.
Gang.